Shall. Asking for suggestions or offering help, not a request. Let's look at some examples.
Shall I open the window? Asking for a suggestion, not a request.
Yes, please.
No thank you. Shall I turn off the TV? You are offering to turn off the TV. Yes, please, it's too loud. No, I'm still watching. Shall I bring you some water? You are offering to bring water. Yes, please. No, thank you. Shall we eat dinner now? You are suggesting having dinner. Yes, I'm hungry. No, let's wait a bit. Shall I book a taxi for you? You are offering to book a taxi. Yes, please. No, I will book it myself. Shall we meet at 5 p.m.? You are suggesting a meeting time. Yes, that works. No, let's make it 6 p.m.
Could. Asking for permission or making polite requests.
Could I borrow your book? You are asking to borrow something. Of course, here it is. Sorry, I need it now. Could you pass me the salt? You are asking someone to pass an object. Sure, here you go. Sorry, I don't see it. Could I have a cup of tea? You are politely requesting tea. Yes, I'll make one for you. Sorry, we're out of tea. Could I take a break now? You are asking permission for a break. Yes, go ahead. No, we still have work to do. Could you tell me the time? You are politely asking for the time. Sure, it's 3 p.m. Sorry, I don't have a watch.
May. Very polite way to ask for permission.
May I sit here? Yes, of course. Sorry, this seat is taken. May I borrow your notebook? Yes, here you go. Sorry, I need it. May I use your phone? Yes, go ahead. Sorry, my battery is low. May I take a photo here? Yes, go ahead. No, photography is not allowed. May I open the door? Yes, please. No, keep it closed.
Need. Asking if something is necessary.
Do you need any help? Yes, please. No, I'm fine. Do you need more time? Yes, I need a few more minutes. No, I'm ready. Do you need to rest? Yes, I feel tired. No, I'm fine. Do you need a jacket? Yes, it's cold outside. No, I'm warm enough. Do I need to call you? Yes, please call me later. No, just send a message.
Would. Making offers or asking about preferences.
Would you like some coffee? Yes, please. No, thank you. Would you like a glass of water? Yes, please. No, thank you. Would you like some dessert? Yes, I'd love some. No, I'm full.